switch on it, press the power button. So the status light will blink for some time and then it will stay on. That means your printer is ready. Now it is stable. Printer is ready. Now go to your Android phone. You have to download the Canon Selphy app. You can download it from the App Store. In this app, we have to add this photo printer. Agree with the terms and conditions. Okay. Skip. So let's add it. So click on the printer icon on the top. On the next screen, select Selfie Secure QX10. And instantly we are ready to use it. For example, I'm just going to print a photo. So select any photo you want to print from your smartphone. Now we can do some editing. For example, I can put overcoat, position. I can also add a frame or stamp. So there are different things we can do. So I'm just going to put it like this. Close it and click on the print icon. Now allow. So here we can see it has printed this photo, and this way we can do the setup of this printer with the Android phone and start printing photos. Print quality is really good. There is no missing color, no lines. So it's a good printer if you want to use for printing photos. Thanks for watching.